Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to play White Christmas by ear. Let's take a listen. All right, we're here in Waco, Texas. We can only dream of a white Christmas. It's about 80 something degrees outside right now. It's late October. But I love Christmas time. I love the holidays. I love to play music during that time when everyone's gathering around for Christmas festivities and holiday dinners and all those things. Have you ever wanted to play Christmas music during that time, but sight reading music was just a barrier you couldn't get past and it kept you from actually playing what you wanted to do? Well, that's why I'm here. We're going to learn how to play without reading music. It's very possible. A lot of people do it, and you can play wonderful stuff just by ear. So let's get started with our part one lesson here. If you are a member of webpianoteacher.com, I have 30 something, 34 Christmas songs on there right now. I teach you all 34. They're the staples of just Christmas music when you think of what songs come on the radio during that time. And most of them have melody in the right hand, so they can work as a piano solo or as a sing-along if everyone is joining in singing. But you can download my sheet right here if you are a member, and then have that sheet for viewing or for printing out. It's kind of a helpful little thing to do. Anyway, let's get started with the board here. All right, if you are a beginner or a complete beginner, you might be able to do this, but if you need super beginner lessons, I do have super beginner lessons on webpianoteacher.com. They're called my all-new easy piano lesson series. When you get in there, click WPT University. They'll show up there 50 lessons. If you need ground zero lessons, which we all start at ground zero, right? So, Christmas, we got the melody in the right hand. It's fun just to sing with it as well. All right, so we're going to start in the right hand with a G, an A, a C, and an E. Okay, I'm going to assume you know the names of the notes at least. If you don't, maybe you can catch on here, or my website will really help you with that. G, A, C, E. I'm going to use fingers 1, 2, 3, 5. So practice just getting there to start with. You might could even use a fourth finger if you want to use that. All right, but just getting on that key. It's called a C add 6. Of course, what the name of the chord is. Left hand is a C octave. So here's a C with my thumb. Here's a C with my fifth finger. Okay, so just practice getting to it. Okay. Okay. A lot of learning piano, you're playing a lot of chords, is getting from one chord to the next chord. So make sure you practice the change, not just playing the chord once you get on it, but changing from one chord to the next. That'll really save you a lot of time in the long run. All right, so back to the board. We play our first chord. Isn't that beautiful? There's our first chord. Now the next part is just a repeat of what you're already holding down. There's the melody note on the E. So the next three things are just kind of rhythm things. You know, you can hear the band, right? The bass guitar and the drums, or just kind of the percussion. You know, the crooner age with, what's his name? Bing Crosby and some of the other guys. So I'm also holding the pedal, if you can see that. Shawn, is that visible? You can see that, all right? Holding the pedal down. All right, so that G is going to be on my two finger right there, right in between my octave. So on dreaming, I'm going to change my pedal and put it back down because I changed chords. I'm actually going to need to change my pedal on each one of those chords because they're different. You know, I don't want to mix them up. It won't sound good mixed up. So C on the left again. Right hand, we're going to go to A, C, F, and I'm going to use fingers 1, 2, 5. On ing, I'm going to do G, C, E with fingers 1, 2, 4. So dream. Why don't we try that much from the very beginning? And go. Dream. Now, it's very important that you don't go on until you have that down. Get those few chords and practice that one little part until you can get it. Once you're comfortable with it, then we can add on something else, okay? The biggest mistake beginners make is they try too much. You bite off more than you can chew, and you need to take manageable, digestible little sections so that you can manage it, okay? So when you can do this, dreaming, you may go slower, that's okay. That C is a quick one. Ba-bum. Dreaming, ta-ta. See, it comes in between dreaming, ba-ba, C, C. Then I'm going to play a really cool chord here that looks like it's hard, but F sharp, B, and D sharp. Here's an F. So an F sharp just means go to the right one key, whether it's black or white. There. So that note is called F sharp. This note is called F. F sharp. So F sharp, B, and D sharp. Now I'm going to slide my finger up in between the black keys a little bit because whenever your thumb's on a black key, you've got to scoot in a little bit for the other keys. Okay, so don't be afraid to get up in there a little bit. F sharp, B, D sharp on the top. And then I come right back to my C chord, G, C, E. So just practice going from to that one to that one. See my hand? Okay, now when I'm ready, I can try to add it to what I know. Here we go at the beginning, and go. If that note messes you up, you can just leave it out. See, you didn't miss it, but you can put it in there if you want. Y. Okay, that'll be next. Let's go just a little bit more. A, C, F in the right. 1, 2, 5, left hand on a D octave. Okay. Then you play the same two notes you just played, and I come up here. Okay, I'll move a little bit now. My left hand moves from A to F. Here, I went from D, now I'm on A and F. My right hand goes up here, A and C to F and A. That's just filling notes. Like snow falling. Like that, okay? All right, so that's a bit of a move there that you got to get used to. All right, now let's put it all together and go. Christmas will be next. All right, guys, the way I'm teaching you this lesson here, I teach you all 34 Christmas songs on webpianoteacher.com. Maybe that's too much to do at one time, 34, but you can pick your favorites, and I guarantee you, I'm probably going to have most of your favorites on there already. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that lesson. See you on webpianoteacher.com.